Hello guys, my name is Zach. I want to unbox a Atmosphere light strip. First, I want to explain why I want to unbox this one, because I'm just moved my room not long ago, and I want to make my room very vibe. And so I go to Shopee, buy the light strip. And this can make my room look good. And when I come in my room, I will make my 心情 is good. Okay, so this is my first time to make this video and make the unbox video. So let's first, this is the light strip and controlling, and they have the color. Okay, this red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, and purple, and this have music, and this is the type, and you can choose. And I will show you the function. And need to make sure my room is dark so I can show my light strip. So I need to close the window. Okay. Now I'm close the window and turn on the light. It's so good. So these have the color, and you can change the color. Maybe a blue, and maybe a green, a red, purple, or yellow. And it has music. Maybe like this. Yeah. And it is the music. And the type 1 is just like it. And you can change. You just choose one, and it's yes, good. Thank you guys. Look my videos, and I'm so nervous because it's my first time to make these videos. And thank you. I'm Zach. See you next time.